Hello and welcome to my channel. Earlier in the previous video we used Python pillow module to resize our photos. You remember this video, so you can search for the video. It's just the previous video. So in this video we're just going to build on this pillow module and use pillow library to see how we can also rotate images. So how do we do that? You import your OS, then import your PRL from import image from PRL, and then now we can specify our parameters. What's the directory that your images are? So what this code basically does is you have your images, the images you want to the photos you want to rotate in a folder, which we call this, and then now your output directory you want. When you finish, when you've rotated, everything should be in a folder or rotated. So what angle do you want to rotate? Let's say 90 degrees. Now we say if os.path.is directory output. So we're basically using this to check, does this directory already exist? If it does not exist, then you use os.make directory to create the output directory. Now, so we're going to create a for loop that's going to search your directory. It's going to search this folder for every file there and then work on each photo one after the other. So you open the photos one by one here with the open method. So in the open method you specify the directory, and yeah, you use this the directory plus the file name. So now you say, let's say rotated image equals image.rotate. With this method you rotate whatever you've opened there. Now the output file name, we use os.path.join to add the output directory with the file name. Okay, so then you save with the save function. Now you can say, okay, print rotated file name by what angle, and you complete. So now we can run our function, our code. So it's complete. Now we'll go to the folder and see what has happened. This is our inputting photos. So you see the rotated folder was created, and then we have our pictures. You see everything all rotated by 90 degree. All rotated by 90 degree. So it shows your code works. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments, please use the comment section. Thank you for watching my channel.